Hi friends, so we are here with Samsung M30 unboxing, and as you can see, this is the box, and just look at the specifications. So it has 13 plus 5 plus 5 megapixel with one 5 megapixel is ultra wide and 16 megapixel front camera with 5000 mAh battery and octa-core processor, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB memory with memory card slot. So okay, so now let's unbox it. And this is my friend Rajat, and who has purchased this for his father. So this is a good option. I think there was another option, Moto G something, but as compared to that phone, this phone actually comes at the same price, and also it offers a better specification, and it's actually recently launched, so you can basically
and it's only also made for India.
Yeah, so it's made for India. So as we know that the factory is located in National Capital Region for Samsung. So let's okay. This box is packed very well by Samsung for Indian actually conditions. So while shipping, it should not get disturbed. So Rajat is unboxing it. There is another seal. So just check before you unbox. Just check, the seal is appropriate, so that you don't get refurbished piece. So this is box contain. The first of all, there is some thing we get. And this is the phone and charger. So it is a fast charger, Rajat, or let's zoom in.
And this is a fast one, and I think it's 5-volt charger.
Okay, it's a 5-volt charger, so it's a fast charger. That's a good thing actually. And is it actually a USB Type C or USB nor micro USB?
No, it's C type.
Okay, it's a Type C. So this is the advantage over your Redmi phones, especially they give USB Type USB-C port. Okay, so this is the phone, and this is the blue phone, and they have again added some plastic.
Let me cover it.
Yeah. So it's very well packed in that sense, and I think the one advantage of this phone is it comes with Super AMOLED Infinity U display, which is I think the best display after iPhone. So this has like 3 cameras, as you can see. It has one wide lens camera, so that will help you to take, if you visit some places where you need to take some wide pictures, then that will help you. And there's a fingerprint scanner in the back, and this is your what we call as a water drop notch with infinity display. So yeah, let's start it. So it shows Samsung M30 branding, and along with that, let's unbox this box before the phone actually boots up.
Yeah.
What's in this box?
This contains only user manuals.
Okay, I was hoping that it will give some, at least some basic case or something, but it is not giving. Okay. As you can see, there is a small notch. We call it as, I think, water drop notch, and he just setting it up. There is some language selection and the start thing, and it asks for Wi-Fi, but we don't have any. Terms and condition agreement. So yeah, it's a very good choice if you have budget of around from 10 to 15,000. It's a good choice, and especially for parents, you can buy it, because Redmi phones and other phones, other brands which are basically not that much popular in the market, or they don't have that much service stations in place. So for your family members, you need to buy a phone which is very reliable, robust and efficient. So I think this is the best choice in that segment. For you, you can definitely go for different phones and do stuff.
The display is very smooth.
Yeah, display is very smooth. It's a actually Super AMOLED display, and which is I think best display in the market after, especially after iPhones and all. So, and I really like the Samsung UI especially because I think even the fingerprint scanner is very fast, as you can see, because I have a Redmi Note 5 Pro, and which takes a lot of time to set up the fingerprint. So this one is better, far better, I would say. So registered fingerprint by swiping. So that's a good thing actually, because you not always we tap on the fingerprint scanner. We can just swipe and it will get unlocked.
It's working.
Okay. So there is some Google policies and all. Let's hope that we will land up into our. So for now, I think you can skip it and skip. You can skip it for now. Okay. So all done. So let us capture its display. Okay. So this is a Super AMOLED display, as you can see. And the icon size is very nice, right? It actually captures the entire space on the screen. So just go to settings and about phone, Rajat, so that we can check the Android version.
Yeah, sure.
It's a dual SIM phone actually, and device, okay. Serial number. I think it will be in a some software option will be there. Legal information, software information. Okay. So it's a Samsung Experience version 9. Just scroll down, and it's Android version 8.1.1. So let's hope that it will support the next
you will
version.
get Oreo out of the box.
Okay, so Oreo out of the box, and because of the OS actually, Samsung's wrapper over that particular box, I think Samsung's wrapper is very efficient and very sleeky as compared to your MIUI or any other Oxygen OS, so that's a good thing. Yeah, so this is about the phone. It's a dual SIM phone and comes with 500 mAh battery, which is, you can compare it with Redmi Note 5 or 5 Pro series. In box, it just gives you the data cable, then ejection pin, SIM ejection pin, and on box the price is 16,490, and with discount I think you can avail it from like 13,000 to 1640, which is a good thing. And okay, these are the specifications you can check out. We are not giving any verdict whether you should use it or not, but I think Samsung is a trusted brand, and you can consider it as one of the choice while buying the phone at this particular price range. And we will post a long-term review after using it for a month or two, so that you can get more insights. So this is the phone, and yeah, can you capture a few photos with wide lens? That will I think help. So this is the phone with normal lens, and let us try with wide lens. If you can switch, yeah. Okay, so that's the difference. Okay, so as you can see, we can't show you the big picture, but I think this is what you will get the idea. Like this is
very good details we are getting.
Clarity. And this one is I think with the wide lens, right?
No, we are not getting that much great details.
Okay, but we need to I think focus before we click.
Maybe we didn't focus.
Okay, so we can try with again wide lens with focus. Just focus first, like tap. Okay, and then click. This time we should get some details at least. Maybe we need to learn the skills. Okay, but this is what the phone is, and yeah, so I think this is it, and it will cost you around 14 to 15,000 on Flipkart. Okay, and delivery is very fast. It gives you that for this phone. We are in Pune, so it is giving it in 2 days. Rajat is actually laughing because okay, anyways friends, you can consider it for yourself and family members, especially who don't like MI phones and they need very sophisticated operating system with icons. I would suggest this phone. It definitely comes with a triple camera, which I think in this price segment any other company doesn't offer, so you can definitely consider it. I need to check its battery because it's a 5000 mega ampere, so it should give up to 1.5 days. And okay, that's it I think from our side, and thank you for watching.